Assalamualaikum everyone. So in this video I am going to tell you that how to insert page layout in MS Word and how to insert page borders and different multicolor on our page. So let's start. First we have to click here in the page layout tab, and after clicking on it, this interface will appear in front of you, and here you can also add watermarks. So we'll do everything. So first of all we are going to add page color. First of all click on it, and here are the page colors. That here are so many colors. Look, so yellow, light yellow, red, brown, blue, light blue, dark blue, purple. We can also add more fill effects, but I like this one. So this one is done. So now we have to add page borders for its more good presentation. So we will click on page border. After that we can also click our here. We can adjust the lines from here, such as I want 3 lines applied on my page. So when we'll do OK, yes, it's very good looking now. So next is watermark. How to add watermark? Firstly click on watermark. After clicking on my watermark, there are people are usually doing confidential, do not copy, but we have to write our own watermark. So we can write custom watermark. Click on custom watermark and then wait for a second, and then we want text watermark. So after clicking on text, we have to write here an ASAP. Here you can see the text written, and then firstly highlight it and then write here how to insert page. So after that click on OK. Our watermark will appear. So now finally we have updated our page. So as you can see that firstly our page was not looking as much good as now it is looking. So thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Long live Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.